In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can pair a Roku TV remote without using a pairing button. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. The first thing that you're going to want to do is flip your remote over and remove the little battery cover on that remote itself. If your remote did have a pairing button, it would usually be located underneath the batteries, but since in your instance the remote's not going to have one, you just want to take your batteries out for about 5 to 10 seconds and then put them back in. If you're not sure about battery life, try using a fresh set just to be safe. But from here, what you're going to want to do is just press and hold down on the home button and the back button at the exact same time on your remote, and just hold these buttons until the green light on the remote starts flashing. This means that the remote has now entered in pairing mode. You might see a message on your screen saying remote is connecting. If nothing does happen, press and hold the home and back buttons again, and just keep the remote close to your Roku device or Roku TV while it does pair. And if it's still not connecting, unplug your Roku TV or streaming device from power for about 30 to 60 seconds, plug it back in, and try the pairing steps again. But that is how you can actually pair a Roku remote without having a pairing button. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.